Hey, I'm actually back today, which is one day after I did this one, and I actually did this last night, so then it's night again. So I followed through for the time being. The crib cycle is next, and that one's a bitch, so excuse my French, but so let's kind of discuss. So we just finished glycolysis. So I kind of have one thing over there, like we have 4 stages. And the stages are different than the steps because they are just, so the glycolysis is basically rearranging, so we get and we get a couple things out of it. We get a little bit of energy, we get some NADH, which are tokens, if you remember from last video, and then we also get 2 pyruvates. And pyruvate is what we're going to be working with now because it goes on to the next, and that's what we're left with. So this stage is a little bit different because it takes place in the mitochondria. So that's kind of why it's a different stage. And it's just different things happening. You'll see because it's a very, very short step. It has 3 steps to it. That's it. It's super easy, and that's a huge reason why I was able to do it today, because it's literally the easiest step. Also, I got really bored today and decided to do my makeup, so I swear I didn't just do crazy makeup for this video, but anyways, let's get on with it. So this is what we're left with. Pyruvate. It looks a little bit different than it was before, so hopefully you can hear me okay. I hope that the audio is fine. I don't have my AirPod in right now. I could try to see if I could just add it real quick. Maybe? Okay. Hi. I hope that this works. Okay. So it's a little bit different because instead of, I just rearranged these 2. So it would be right here in the other one, and then the CH3 just because it's convenient because it'll explain some things. Anyways. So, step 1, we have pyruvate. It enters the mitochondria. So that kind of happens. And so we still have the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase from last time. So we kind of just hung on to that. And then we are going to get the oxidation reaction. So this is actually a reaction rather than an enzyme just taking things and rearranging things. We are actually having a chemical reaction in this. So that's why it's its own thing. I don't think I introduced what it's called. This is pyruvate oxidation. So this is, I should have said that. Pyruvate oxidation is a step. Anyways, so we still have that enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase, and then we have an oxidation reaction. So the NADH, it turns into the NAD plus turns into NADH. And we have some CO2 as well that we get from it. So the first carbon is removed. So we have like exciting, someone's calling me. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to continue this video though. And then we have, we have our CO2 finally. And then we add the acetyl group. So this isn't necessarily an enzyme, but it's an enzyme like bound. So it's like, it's bound to the enzyme. Anyways, then it turns into acetyl-CoA. So this is the acetyl group. And then it's just attached on, and we don't have a carbon anymore. And we have the 2 oxygens removed as well, because of the CO2, and then remember that 2 things are going through this entire stage. So we got 2 NADHs, and we got 2 acetyl-CoAs, which are going to go through, and that's the end of stage 2 of respiration. See, it was super easy. Pyruvate oxidation. We'll see about the Krebs cycle. That one's really bad. So I mean, like, not bad, but it's going to take a lot of work to prepare for it. So, we'll see you next time. I'm still sorry if I made you watch this and you don't want to be watching this, but I'm still gonna make you watch this, aka my friends. But if you're really here to get help, I hope it helped. Please let me know if it helped, because I don't want this to be for nothing, but also I'm gonna continue this.